Step into the shadows of the jungle, where fierce predators and cunning creatures rule their hidden kingdoms. From the lion's rocky den to the crocodile's murky swamp, each lair is a fortress of survival. Discover how tigers silently stalk their prey, wolves work as a team in their secret caves, and sneaky snakes lie coiled in the underbrush. These animals aren't just scary, they're smart, powerful, and full of wild secrets. Calling all junior explorers. Roosters are famous for their loud crowing, which serves as a territorial call to announce their presence and ward off rivals. They can crow at any time of day, not just at dawn. Roosters play a key role in establishing the pecking order within a flock, often acting as protectors and leaders. Dogs were the first domesticated animals, with evidence suggesting they were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago, possibly even earlier. Dogs have an incredibly powerful sense of smell, with up to 300 million olfactory receptors in their noses. Hyenas are highly vocal animals. Their famous laugh is actually a form of communication used to signal excitement, stress, or submission. Hyenas are incredibly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of habitats, including savannas, forests, deserts, and even mountains. Hyenas are highly intelligent, with problem-solving skills comparable to some primates. Bulls are male cattle, Bos taurus, and are part of the Bovidae family, which includes cows, buffalo, and bison. Bulls are larger and more muscular than cows, with some breeds weighing up to 2,400 pounds, 1,100 kilograms. Bulls are symbols of strength, fertility, and power in many cultures, including ancient Greek, Egyptian, and Mesopotamian civilizations. Bulls have a high muscle-to-body ratio. Leopards, Panthera pardus, are part of the big cat family and have several subspecies, including the African leopard, Indian leopard, Amur leopard, and Arabian leopard. Each subspecies is adapted to its specific habitat. Leopards are highly adaptable and can be found in a variety of environments, including savannas, forests, mountains, and deserts. Bears vary greatly in size. The smallest is the sun bear, weighing around 60 to 150 pounds, 27 to 68 kilograms. While the largest is the polar bear, which can weigh up to 1,500 pounds, 680 kilograms. Ducks have a special gland near their tails called the preen gland, which produces oil. They spread this oil over their feathers to make them waterproof, allowing them to float and stay dry. Ducks are omnivores and eat a variety of foods, including plants, insects, small fish, and algae. Their diet depends on their habitat and species. Raccoons have a distinctive black mask of fur around their eyes, which helps reduce glare and improve night vision. Raccoons are among the smartest animals, capable of solving complex puzzles, remembering solutions for years, and even using tools. Raccoons often dunk their food in water before eating. Rhinos are found in Africa and Asia. White and black rhinos live in Africa, while Indian, Javan, and Sumatran rhinos are native to Asia. Rhinos are among the largest land animals. White rhinos can weigh up to 300 kilograms, 5,070 pounds, while Sumatran rhinos are the smallest, weighing around 600 to 950 kilograms, 1,320 to 2,000 pounds. Llamas are native to South America, specifically the Andean region. They were domesticated by the Inca civilization around 4,000 to 5,000 years ago, primarily for their wool, meat, and as pack animals. They communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including humming. Wolves are known for their complex social structures. They live in packs, which are typically family groups consisting of a dominant breeding pair, alpha male and female, their offspring, and sometimes other related adults. Pack sizes can range from 6 to 10 members. Pumas have the widest range of any wild terrestrial mammal in the Western Hemisphere. They can be found from the Canadian Yukon to the southern Andes of South America, inhabiting a variety of environments, including forests, mountains, deserts, and grasslands. They can weigh between 115 to 220 pounds, 52 to 100 kilograms. African buffaloes are large, with males weighing up to 1,900 pounds, 860 kilograms, and standing up to 5.6 feet, 1.7 meters tall at the shoulder. Asian water buffaloes are slightly larger, with males weighing up to 2,650 pounds, 1,200 kilograms. Camels are incredibly efficient at conserving water. They can drink up to 40 gallons, 150 liters of water in one go, and can survive for several months without water, depending on the conditions and their activity level. Their red blood cells are oval-shaped, which helps maintain blood flow even when they are dehydrated. Camels can tolerate a wide range of body temperatures. Horses were domesticated around 4,000 to 3,500 BCE, likely on the steppes of Central Asia. They have played a crucial role in human history. From transportation and agriculture to warfare and sport, horses communicate through vocalizations, neighs, whinnies and snorts, body language, and facial expressions. They are highly social animals and form strong bonds with other horses and humans. Goats were one of the first animals to be domesticated, around 10,000 years ago in the Middle East. Goats are highly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of environments, from mountains to deserts. Goats have rectangular pupils, which give them a wide field of vision, 320 to 340 degrees, to spot predators. Goats were one of the first animals to be domesticated, around 10,000 years ago in the Middle East. Tigers are the largest of all big cat species, with males weighing up to 660 pounds, 300 kilograms, and measuring up to 10 feet, 3 meters in length, including the tail. Tigers are classified as endangered. With fewer than 4,000 individuals left in the wild. Habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict are major threats to their survival. Tigers are primarily nocturnal hunters, using their keen night vision and hearing to locate prey in the dark. Cows were domesticated around 10,000 years ago from wild ancestors like the aurochs. They have been integral to human agriculture and culture ever since. Cows are highly social animals and form strong bonds with their herd members. They can recognize up to 100 individuals and prefer to stay in groups, often spend a significant portion of their day grazing, typically 6 to 11 hours. They prefer to graze in the early morning and late afternoon. Zebras are found in a variety of habitats across Africa. Plains zebras inhabit grasslands and savannas, mountain zebras live in mountainous and hilly regions, and Grevy's zebras prefer arid and semi-arid grasslands. Plains zebras and mountain zebras typically form small family groups called harems, consisting of one stallion, several mares, and their young. Grevy's zebras have a more fluid social structure, with males establishing territories and females moving freely between them. Lions are the most social of all big cats. They live in groups called prides, which usually consist of related females, their cubs, and a small number of adult males. Lions are highly territorial and mark their territory with scent markings and roaring. A pride's territory can range from 20 to 400 square kilometers, depending on the availability of prey. Lions are often referred to as the king of the jungle and are symbols of courage, strength, and royalty in many cultures. They appear in myths, folklore, and national emblems worldwide. These animals aren't just scary, they're smart, powerful, and full of wild secrets. Calling all junior explorers. Grab your binoculars and let's uncover nature's most thrilling hideouts. Can you guess how a leopard hides its dinner in a tree? Or why a crocodile's jaws snap shut in a flash? Get ready for a roaring adventure into the wildest corners of the animal kingdom, where every lair tells an epic story of survival.